you have a good backhand clear. You can hit. Technically, not much issues there, but you have to practice more advanced way. The first, the steps. You ready? Go. You hit. After hit, normally you land, and then you don't move this one. You bring that one and then come in here. Watch me. There, bang, there, like that. To me, the momentum is dead there. Because you brings it in there, you remains there, and it creates more steps to go back. It can be argued which way. Also a little bit different depending on the situation. But I personally prefer recovery steps. Hit, ready, hit, ready. Hit, ready, ready, ready. So look, hit, ready, ready, ready for clear. Hit, ready, ready for drop shot. Instead, hit like that. Your body goes too much there. While this is moving, you remains there. And then you need more steps to come back. Try both ways. So look, hit, ready, hit, ready. Hit, ready, ready for drop. Hit, ready, ready, ready for clear. Try to do the recovery steps. Instead of a hit, bring in